This is Peery Habits Level 2, musical number 13. As you know, this is my lucky number, so this lesson is going to be fantastic. All right, so now you've gotten line 1 with your hands together, with your expression going great, and you have that thumb tucked under. So guess what we get to do this week? We're going to stay on line 1. Just one more week, and then you get to play the rest of chimes. I promise it will be worth it. Okay, so this week on line 1, we're going to work on speed. So you're going to play this 5 times per day. And I want you to start, I want you to go back and put on your metronome, metronome 58. So you think, oh, that's so slow, but actually we're going a little bit faster than you're used to. So instead of 2 ticks per right hand note, we're going to start at metronome 58 and do 1 tick per right hand note. So let me show you. So we're going to do up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If you've been doing as many repetitions as you should have been through the last lessons, you should be able to get it to that speed right away. If this is tricky, you need to either go slower and work it up to 58 or go back and do lesson number 12. So for the first day, I want you to work on, in your 5 times, playing through line 1 at 58 and 60. So you're doing 2 speeds on the first day. On the second day, you're going to do the next 2 speeds, 63 and 66. Keep going on day 3 to 69 and 72. Day 4, 76 and 80. And by day 5, you'll be doing 84 and 88. And 88 is our final speed. Let me show you what that's going to sound like. See how quickly I'm pushing? That is really difficult. But if you've done this step by step with me, you will get there. So 2 speeds per day, you need to be playing it at least 5 times. It might take you more times on one day to get through those 2 speeds because you shouldn't move up your metronome unless it's really perfect. So if you start playing it and your wrists stop working, you can't move up the speed. You've got to go back to where you can push on every single note to get that big chime sound. So this week, if you've reached your final speed, you get a reward. And your reward is that you get to add your pedal. So this piece, we use the pedal, and when you use that pedal, it's going to really sound like those big 2-ton chimes. Okay, so the pedal that we're going to use is the damper pedal, which is on the far right. So when you're playing the pedal, you want to make sure that your heel stays on the floor, that it doesn't come up tippy-toe, but that you're just pushing down the pedal with the ball of your foot. So you can push this pedal down and leave it down, and then play through your chimes. So push it down. Let's hear our speed. Metronome 88 is our final. And here's how it's going to sound. Did you hear that great ring? You're going to sound just like that. Whether you're 5 or 8, no matter how small, if you do those push wrists right, you will get as big a sound as if a 200-pound man were playing it. So this is very exciting. So practice your line 1, moving up. Remember, we're starting at metronome 58, going up 2 speeds per day till we reach 88. When you reach 88, put on that pedal. Okay, when you can get to that point, you're ready to go on to musical number 14.